So I guess Violetta decides which one.
Then we go for this one.
She's going for the hardest one. But 4 out of 9.
This is just parts of it.
Which is the one with waterfalls na meron?
Wala, mapa, it's a quiet one.
There's no water? Dry waterfalls? Wow.
Alright.
Summer. Pwede 2 mountains? 2 mountains? May dalawang mountain na malapit?
Sir, yung ito lang, spot. Kaya, ma'am.
Sipit and Espadang.
Yes, ma'am. Espada po din.
That's like one trip. You wanna do that?
And then.
Started out this morning with a little bit of a misadventure. We were supposed to do Mount Lubog. Well, we're going to be doing Mount Ayas instead. Let me explain how this happened. So from Barangay Mascap, you drive all the way down for maybe 10-20 minutes or maybe even close to 30 minutes to Barangay
Puray.
Puray. Barangay Puray, and that's where you're supposed to register for Mount Lubog, but we went there and they were like, nope, it's not here, it's down in Mascap where we just came from. And then we drove back to Barangay Mascap and they're like, no, you can't take it from here, you have to go to Barangay Puray.
Yes.
So that was our morning, and now we decided to just do Mount
Ayas.
Ayas.
Yes, I think, yeah.
Man, it's so hard to remember all these names pre-coffee. So yeah, that's how we ended up deciding on doing Mount Ayas. So it's the same.
The deciding factor is Violetta wanted the hardest mountain, so she kept looking for the one with the highest altitude.
Yeah, and Mount Ayas is 4 out of 9. And she wanted to do Hapunang Bato and also Espadang Bato. But I've already done those 2 mountains. I'll leave the links to the vlogs down or up here. I don't know, maybe down. I'll leave it down.
Over there?
So anyway, if you guys have watched my Espadang Bato vlog, the first part on the road is so steep, so it's so difficult to do intros. But I want to do it and get it done with, and show you guys around rather than me continuously talking. No? Yeah? Yeah. Okay, let's go.
This is the road. Yeah, I mean, we could have parked right here. Oh, we could have. That was a good warm up.
Yeah. Okay. I wish though those were leeches.
You wish?
I mean, another one! I am now feeling it crawling all over my butt. It's like everyone's feeling it now. They're better than leeches.
Yeah. You don't want leashes to show.
She's a bit of a masochist, that's why. Leech time.
You trying to make that your walking stick?
Yeah. Go on.
Alright, so Total distance to the summit of Mount Ayas is 3 hours. So far, we are clocking in 42 minutes and 2.5 kilometers. So I'll update you once we reach the top. Overall, so far, pretty, you know, it's not too steep upwards or downwards. It goes up for maybe 10-15 minutes, a little bit down, up again. So quite a balanced trail. Yeah, and very humid. It's March 2024, so ooh, summertime's coming. Is this, Kuya? Is this the road to Nagpatong? No. Oh, it looks like it. They were in another mountain.
Another mountain in Tanay, Rizal.
Hindi, sorry, not Nagpatong. Espadang Bato. Is this the same?
Area.
So we took a long cut.
Aya, so backroad.
That's the best.
Did you get cut?
Mount Espadang Bato.
Oh no.
Good.
Area.
So this was the
Shortcut only.
okay.
And
I guess.
It was a long shortcut.
no, there's a long shortcut and way.
Okay.
Rough
But-
road.
Why didn't we drive?
I do feel like a winner right now.
Short lang talaga, ma'am.
Huh?
Pero shortcut siya.
Okay. Because we passed here for
Backtrail
Nagpatong.
tayo, galing na Ayas, backtrail. So dito na ang
So different route.
puntahan.
Okay. Okay. Oh, injured. Oh.
I don't think I can make it, guys.
You don't make it.
Okay.
I tried
We need
my
to-
best,
we need to
but
prepare
this
a,
route is not for me.
What do you call
Stretcher.
it? A stretcher. Are we overtaking?
You can overtake.
No, the other group.
Oh.
We asked them,
Because we're
sir,
competitive.
are you trail runner?
It's like, is he trail runner?
So glad there's a buko stop. Even 4 kilometers in.
Like sugar and water.
Nice.
One for you, madam.
Thank you. We'll just share, me and Chris. Yeah, so refreshing.
Pag chap-chap, wala nang tira dyan. Oh!
So it's a good and relaxing
Were you
break.
in basketball throughout your college?
No, I didn't actually. Not in college.
Like the way it works, that's like if the person can kind of like take it.
Well, we can't go to the summit.
I don't know.
Can we not go to the summit directly?
Kuya, we cannot go to the summit.
Yeah. But maybe
Or
because
kasi may
what
tao.
happened there.
Alright, so this is not the summit yet. This is Sin Fuego's campsite.
Cousin, he was like,
So,
I want to go help.
I
I want to
think-
make a change.
It's over there
I think
still.
maybe.
You know what hike is like this the whole time? Daraitan.
Yeah.
At least this one's just short. Taking breathers. What? What's happened? Once a week?
It's a Sunday thing.
Oh.
We'll go to church, we go to mountain.
He goes to mountain.
Weekend lang.
Weekends. Are you?
A little bit sweaty.
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit.
Horse can't come this far.
You just
Like
wait.
it's only you, man.
his own human shit.
Okay, we are approaching the summit. I think 15 minutes according to the guide. So the steepness of the last part is it's quite steep. I'll describe it a Derek Eaton style, like where you need to kind of, in some steps you need to use your hand to push your knee because the steps are quite big. And after the forest area, you kind of enter the grassy area, which means you're getting closer to the summit. The view is starting to look nice behind me. Whew. And the heat, wow, and the humidity. You have to bring a towel when you come here. It's just very humid. Still further. So this is it. Maybe another 5 minutes. We have made it to the top.
Look at this view. We've been up there for like 30 minutes.
I know. Sorry, we were.
Kind of finished our lunch, you know, and picnic. Took million pictures on this.
Oh, you're on a boat.
Uh-huh.
Can I have some?
Uh-huh.
Before you close it. View super duper amazing. 360 degrees.
And that's it? Or is it only one person at a time?
I think it's a one-person boat. So let me show you the view all around.
New profile pic.
Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
I open my eyes. It's too much sweat.
What's it called again?
Mount Lubog.
Yeah. So Violeta, apparently for Mount Lubog, you have to rent a habal-habal, 1,500 pesos. Because it's a far,
Okay.
and cars can't go there. So I guess we were meant to be in
did we go?
Ayaas. Huh?
But you from where?
I think it's what's it called? The dam? Wawa Dam side. Other side of the valley. No! Alright, now we head back down. I could imagine during the rainy season, this is going to be very slippery. Alright, a quick heat break because it's so hot now. Alright guys, we have made it back to the main road. Finished the hike. So far we finished it in 3 hours. It's 3 hours 24 minutes now, so maybe when we get to the bottom it's going to be 3 hours 30. In the website it says, in different websites it says it will take you 3 hours to the summit, but obviously again that depends on your fitness levels and also how many breaks you want to take. So for us, 3.5 overall, so summit and back. So it wasn't too bad for us. It was a good weekend hike. Is this hike beginner friendly? I would say, yeah, could be beginner friendly, but there are other mountains like Espadang Bato that I would rather do first if I was a beginner. And the total distance so far of the hike is 10 kilometers. So 10 kilometers for me is more than decent enough for a hike for a weekend workout without prior preparations. And also to those of you who have been following my hikes, this is the first hike I've done within Metro Manila or near Metro Manila in 2024. So I haven't been exactly that fit. I've been focusing a lot more on paddle, and I kind of feel like from this hike, I can't really tell you the exact difficulty level because I feel like I'm just generally more unfit than I was last year. So my feedback is it was generally tiring, especially on the ascent. Downhill was good. A bit of aches in the knees because it was quite steep downhill. So yeah, good experience. Anyway, thank you guys for watching another video from my channel. If you're new here, I love sharing adventures, beach trips, and also activities within the Philippines. So I hope you can like and also subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!